How to add your signature to a document on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add your signature to a document without printing it out. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Find the document you want to sign and tap it to open it. Now, tap the Markup button at the top of the screen. Next, tap the plus button and select Add Signature. If you already have a saved signature, tap it to add it to your document. If you need to create a new signature, tap Add or Remove Signature. Then tap the plus button. Use your finger to write your signature on the screen, then tap Done. Your signature will now appear on the document. You can drag it to the correct location and use the handles around it to adjust the size. Once you're happy with the placement, tap Done to save your changes. You can also tap the Share button to send the signed document through Mail, Messages, or another app. And that's it. That's how you can easily add your signature to a document directly on your iPhone. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. See you in the next one.